Hello kids, how are you? I hope that you will be fine and happy. Today we will read this chapter 17, the verb. Okay, so let's start now this chapter kids. Read the following sentences. Number first है She helped her mother in the kitchen. वह अपनी मदर की हेल्प करती है किचन में. Two and two makes four. He came before us. She was there daily. They feel sorry for their mistake. In these sentences में had, make, came, was and fail are verbs. These verbs say something about the subjects. A verb is mainly a doing verb. जो verb क्या है mainly doing words है. It says that somebody or the something does an action. Such a verb is also called action verb. उसको हम क्या कहा जाता है action verb. Words like be, am is are, was were, and have, has had are also verb. They tells us what somebody or something is or has. He is an intelligent boy. My uncle has a car. A verb is not always one word. It may often consist of more than one word. Example है, they are playing cricket. He has been reading a newspaper since morning. Definitions है, a verb is a word used to express an action. जिसमें word express किया जाता है state और possession, उसी को हम क्या कहते हैं verb कहते हैं. Objects of the verb हैं, some verbs have objects after that. Read the following sentences है. Number first, the children eat. यहाँ पर हम verb भरेंगे. Eats the food. Except this sentence is incomplete. यह sentence incomplete है. You will definitely want to know what children eat. आप जानते हैं कि बच्चा क्या खाना पसंद करता है, उसको यहाँ पर fill कर सकते हैं. The verb eat should be followed by some words to make complete sense. जैसे हमने यहाँ पर sentence किया, we can write this sentence. The children eat fruits. बच्चे लोग क्या खाता है? Fruits. Okay? चलिए. Next है 10. Verb need some words to make complete sense. वाक्य वह होते हैं जो अपने आप में complete अर्थ होता है उनका, उसी को हम sentence कहते हैं. Definition है words that added to the verb. जब verb के साथ कुछ शब्दों को add किया जाता है to make complete sense और एक complete sense निकलता है are called object. उसी को हम object कहते हैं. In the above sentences, what do the children eat? बच्चे ने क्या खाया? तो आंसर है fruit. Therefore, fruit is the object of the verb eat का. Kinds of words हैं. Read the following sentence. The boy ate an apple. लड़के ने apple खाया. The girl laughed. लड़की हंसी. In the first sentence में the verb है ate, which requires an object to complete its sense. इसके और है ना is called a transitive verb. जब subject verb object होता है एक sentence में, उसी को हम transitive verb कहते हैं. In the second sentence, the verb laughed does not require any object. जो verb है हमारे पास laughed, उसमें object की requirement नहीं है. Okay? Because it completes sense by itself. बल्कि वह अपने आप में एक complete अर्थ पूरा कर रहा है. Such a verb is called an, उसी के शब्दों को हम intransitive verb कहते हैं. Therefore, it is clear that an intransitive verb requires an object to make a complete sense. On the other hand, an intransitive verb does not require any object to make a complete sense. Okay? चलिए, एक तरफ है transitive verb, दूसरी तरफ है intransitive verb. Transitive verb है he caught the bag. Intransitive है some creature swims. She opened the door or the sick man wept. Okay? Now friends, this chapter will be completed. I hope that you understood well. Thank you. Have a nice day.